Yo. So first of all, you guys know I'm not a financial advisor by now. We're going to talk about Vroom. Okay, now these are all stocks that I plan to stick in. Well, I already have a pretty deep position in Vroom, but I plan to add to it even more. My original entry on live was $1.14. Anyways, lower market cap. Their only competition is going to be Carvana and CarMax. That's going to be their main competition, I should say. There's a lot of room for capitalization there. Let's just leave it at that. Okay. You can see that they are off 52-week lows, as mentioned. My original entry was 114. I plan to DCA even higher, just because of now it's getting attention. I know Trey mentioned it during one of his videos. That I believe he mentioned it at 140. So it felt good to get in well before him. Kind of like a pat on the back, like, hey, you found a nice one. Here are the fundamentals. I haven't looked at these in a while, actually. Look at the enterprise value, projected revenue, book value per share. It's trading at literally $200 and some million, and they have over $1 billion enterprise value. It's funny. What are the analysts at? Analysts are at $3. So even at the prices that it's at, it should, they're saying that it should double. I think it's going to do more than that, but I mean, I might be biased, and I'm not a financial advisor or an economist. Vanguard, BlackRock. Do we have the state? Yep, there's State Street. All right, so we have the big three. As you guys can see, this is very heavily backed. Very heavily backed. Renaissance, love them. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. I mean, I want to show you how many people are in it. We don't have to read every single name, but I want to show you how many people are backing this. How many institutions are backing this. This is big money. This all of a sudden became big money. Also, there are retirement systems in this. You guys know how I like retirement systems. So I think that's very important to keep in mind. Now, here's a nice chunk of it as well. This could be a short squeeze and no problem. I'm not even going to go into FTDs and all that stuff, but this could become a short squeeze very, very quickly. And that's one of the reasons why I caught retail's attention. That and the fact that it was grossly undervalued. But I'm happy that I believe that I'm the creator that made mention of it the lowest. So that that made me feel pretty good. I'm happy that people are making money on it. It's been good to me so far. Anyways, let's go ahead and pull this up. Now, I know that I'm not going to bottom tick. I know it. Right, now this is the daily. However, because this is the daily, look at the 13, pretty much on the 48. I want to go ahead and I want to get an entry before it pops over and starts to run. If that's what it's going to do, of course. And there is a gap right there as well. Something to keep in mind. We are crossing over the MACD. So yeah, again, just another episode here to my potential retirement list. I have one more that I did actually a video on recently, so it's going to be kind of a shorter one. But I'm going to attach the long version to the the shorter version. But I want you guys to get a look at it, and it might spurt your interest in order to go ahead and dive in for more DD. But you guys have a good evening. Again, none of that was financial advice. I do need more subs. Please go ahead and tap that sub button. It doesn't cost you a dime. Totally helps me. If you'd share this, let all the homies know. And like it. And then hopefully I catch you on the last video of my series. For now. Because chances are I'm going to add more. But later, guys.